Why did the train stop? We're waiting for my husband.
Wait! Don't leave without me!
Dad, look! It's flying higher and higher and higher! Look, Dad!
Wow, son! That's amazing! One day, you'll fly a real airplane.
Really? I'll fly higher than the clouds!
Probably forget all about your old mom and dad.
Then keep practicing, Captain Tomato.
Run! Run!
Everyone, get out of the village!
Mom, what's happening?
I don't know, sweetheart.
Stay here. I'll find out. Carrot.
Run! Run!
Dad, are we in danger?
Listen to me, son. We have to leave the village.
The riverbank has broken. The floodwater is coming. Potato! Get your family out now! Chili, how much time do we have? Not much! The water is already reaching the main road! Pack only what we need. What about our clothes, our food?
Everything in the house? Leave it.
Our lives matter more than our things.
Dad, can I take my airplane?
Tomato, we don't have much time.
Potato! The water is on our street!
We're leaving, now!
Dad, don't let go!
I won't, son. Stay with me.
Potato!
What's wrong?
Potato! My daughter, Mary, is still inside. Potato.
I'll get her.
No, Dad! Don't go!
There's a little girl who needs help.
Are you coming back?
I promise.
Potato, please hurry! My daughter is still upstairs.
Don't worry, Bendy. I'm coming with you.
Our house is near the old bakery. The ground floor is already underwater.
How old is your daughter?
She's only a little girl. Her name is Mary.
Mom! Where are you?
Mary! Mary! I'm here!
Mom! I can't get downstairs!
Mary, listen to me.
Who are you?
I'm Potato. Your mom sent me to get you.
I'm scared.
I know you're scared, but you're going to be okay. Stay here. I'll bring her out.
Potato, please be careful.
Potato! The water is coming upstairs!
Don't move, Mary. I'm coming.
I can't go down.
You don't have to walk.
Mom, Dad is coming, right?
He promised he would.
Everyone, please board the train.
We're waiting for someone.
You're going to carry me?
Yes. Hold on tightly.
What if the water takes us?
It won't. Keep your arms around my neck and trust me.
Mom!
Mary! Mary! Lost you! I thought I had lost you.
Mom!
Madam, the flood is getting closer.
We can't keep the train here for long. Thank you. Thank you so much.
She's safe. That's what matters. I have to go. Everyone, get on the train! We have to leave now!
Mom! Dad still isn't here. But the train is leaving!
Madam, you need to board now.
Please. We're waiting for my husband.
No, Mom! Dad isn't here!
Because he's trying to get back to us.
Dad. Mom! Dad! Dad!
Wait! Wait! Don't leave without me!
Potato! Hurry!
Madam, stay inside.
He's my husband! Give me your hand! I've got you! I've got you!
Dad!
I'm here, son.
I thought you weren't coming. To dummy coming.
I promised you, didn't I?
I thought I was going to lose you.
I'm sorry.
Why did the train stop? What happened?
Dad, are we stuck?
I don't know yet, son. Stay with Mum.
Potato, look at the water.
The floodwater is reaching the railway line.
Please remain inside. Everyone, please remain inside the train.
Why have we stopped?
A landslide has blocked the track ahead.
Dad, are we stuck?
I don't know yet, son. Stay with Mum. Then clear the tracks! We can't. There's too much mud, and more water is coming down the hill.
Potato! We can't stay here.
Sir, rescue teams have been contacted.
How long will they take?
The path is covered with mud. It could be dangerous. It could be dangerous.
But it's higher than the tracks. Staying here could be worse.
We need to get everyone to higher ground. We should wait for rescue. If the water keeps rising, we may not have enough time.
Potato, you're not going alone. Carrot, you stay with Tomato. No. Carrot, we've already been separated once today. I'm not letting you disappear again. Where are you going?
I'm going to find a safe path to the hill.
We have to move quickly.
Potato! I found the rope!
Good.
Tie it around that tree. That one? It's secure. We'll use the rope to cross this section. One hand on the rope. Small steps. No pushing, no running.
I'm scared.
I know, but you're not alone.
That's it, one step at a time. I don't think I can do this.
Hold on to me.
But you'll fall too.
Then we'll fall together.
Thank you, son.
Mom, can I help Dad?
You can help by staying safe. That's exactly why we need you to listen to him.
Okay.
The ground!
Everyone stop! Don't move! We can't cross there anymore. Then we're trapped! No, we're not trapped.
What did you find?
Another path. This way! Children first!
Stay together. Don't let go of the rope.
The water is getting higher! Everyone, move!
Potato! We're getting closer!
Wait,
What?
wait. Someone is still inside.
What?
I saw a little boy there.
What's his name?
Charlie. Potato, no! The water is much higher now.
He's a child.
Dad, please don't go.
Remember what I told you? Be brave? Yes, I'll be back.
Then you're not going alone. Go with him.
I'll help. Stay behind me and watch the ground. Potato! We need to hurry! Charlie! Charlie! Can you hear me?
I'm here!
Stay where you are. We're coming.
I couldn't get out. I couldn't get out.
That's okay.
Will we make it?
Yes.
Potato! Potato!
Careful! I've got you!
Potato! Give me Charlie.
Mom! Charlie!
Charlie!
Thank you.
He's safe now.
Dad! Help is coming!
We made it because we stayed together.
You haven't slept all night.
But you're safe. That's all that matters.
Dad, everyone is looking at you.
Let them look.
Why?
I didn't do anything special.
Potato, Bhendi.
Bhendi, thank you for saving me. You don't need to thank me. You came when everyone else was running away. You saved us.
You gave us hope. You gave us hope. We were all in danger.
Potato, yesterday you showed everyone what courage means. On behalf of the village, thank you. Thank you. But this isn't just for me. Everyone helped someone yesterday.
Dad, you're my hero.
I'm not your hero. I'm your dad.
But you saved everyone.
Being brave doesn't mean you're never afraid.
Then what does being brave mean?
It means doing the right thing even when you're afraid.
We lost our home.
A home can be rebuilt.
Dad, look!
Wait, your airplane?
One day, Dad, I'll really fly.
I believe you will.
We can lose our house, but we must never lose each other.
And never leave anyone behind.
Exactly, son. Don't lose the people you love.